What if I told you that staying poor isn't always about how much money you earn? In fact, many people with high salaries still struggle financially, while others with average incomes quietly build wealth year after year. The difference is often found in daily habits. Today, you'll discover the 10 money habits that keep people poor, and, more importantly, how to replace them with habits that can help you build a better financial future. Let's get started. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Many people spend every dollar they earn. When the next paycheck arrives, it's already spoken for. The solution is simple: pay yourself first. Save even a small amount before spending on anything else. Over time, those small savings grow into financial security. Habit 2, buying things to impress others. Expensive phones, designer clothes, and luxury cars may look impressive, but appearances don't build wealth. Wealth is created by investing money, not by trying to impress strangers. Ask yourself one question before buying anything: do I need this, or do I just want people to notice it? Habit 3, having no budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on its own. Create a monthly budget. Track your income and expenses. Even 5 minutes each week can completely change your financial life. Habit 4, ignoring debt. Credit card debt grows quickly because of high interest. Always try to pay more than the minimum payment. The sooner you reduce debt, the more money you'll keep in the future. Habit 5, never investing. Many people believe investing is only for the rich. That's not true. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound returns. Even small, regular investments can make a big difference over the years. Habit number 6, no emergency fund. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. A medical bill, a car repair, or losing a job can become a financial disaster if you have no savings. Aim to build an emergency fund that covers several months of essential expenses. Habit 7, shopping without a plan. Impulse buying is one of the fastest ways to waste money. Before buying anything expensive, wait 24 hours. Most impulse purchases lose their appeal after a day. Habit 8, depending on only one income. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky. Consider building another source of income through freelancing, investing, or an online business. Multiple income streams provide greater financial stability. Habit 9, never learning about money. Financial education is one of the best investments you can make. Read books, watch educational videos, and keep learning about saving, budgeting, and investing. Knowledge helps you make better financial decisions. Habit number 10, thinking wealth happens overnight. Real wealth is built slowly. Most successful people didn't become wealthy in a few months. They stayed consistent for years. Small smart decisions, repeated every day, create extraordinary results over time. Becoming financially successful doesn't require perfection. Choose just one habit from today's video and improve it this week. Small changes, repeated consistently, can completely transform your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their financial life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.